Today I'm going to review and test out this carpet upright canister vacuum. It's the Shark Navigator Lift Away NV380C series. First, we're going to go through all of the attachments that it comes with. So we have a attachable or detachable hose here. You can remove if you want to, so it just clips in. And then we have a upholstery attachment, but this has no power. Sometimes, especially with the Sharks, they sometimes have a power attachment for the upholstery, which is great because it really sucks. We have a crevice tool, and then we have something to hold the tools on the machine while you're using it. It has a 25-foot cord. We have installed the upholstery attachment and the crevice tool attachment, so it's really secure on there. And then we also have 3 filters in this vacuum. So we have a foam filter, and then we have a secondary foam filter, I guess, or I think it's felt, sorry. Then up here we have a HEPA filter, which comes out. So there you go. So we have a lid screen inside the canister. This is 1 liter, it holds 1 liter of dirt and dust. So we have power lift away, so you can take it, it's still connected. And then if you wanted to go and do your stairs or whatever, or do upholstery, you can take this with you and carry it along, okay? Or you can even remove this tube here and then walk along and do higher up. We like it when a carpet vacuum has just an easy release on the foot, so you don't have to release anything, but it doesn't have any lights that we can see. We have a suction indicator, we have a brush roll, and what's the other thing that we were thinking that we didn't have?
Height adjustment?
Oh, we don't have height adjustment, it doesn't look like, which is interesting for a Shark vacuum. But we have hard floor and carpet. So we can choose between hard floor and carpet, but when I do hard floors, or when you have a lower pile of carpet, sometimes I just do the hard floor attachment because that's lower down to the ground. Those are the attachments, let's use it. The first thing I'm gonna do is just vacuum this carpet straight up because this house has 2 cats and a chihuahua. We wanna see what it sucks at first, then we'll add in some of our own dirt. Vacuum for about 1 minute here. Look what we've pulled up. And this is just what was already in the carpet. Okay, so this carpet is a little bit matted, but see how it's dug down and kind of fluffed it up a little bit. And I think it's gonna leave carpet lines if we were to go back and forth. We'll test that at the end, but we definitely got a lot of dirt out of there, which is pretty deep down. Now we're gonna add more dirt. We have a bunch of different types of dog hair, coffee grinds, blue sand, so we can just see it's dyed blue sand, so we can see it in the grind or in the fibers. We have popcorn, and then this is kind of hard to see, but it's a bunch of human hair that we've just rubbed into the carpets from some hair extensions, so we can test those brush rolls. have quite a bit of stuff. We can see, we love that blue sand because we can see it. We've got the popcorn, we've got a bunch of the pet hair. Where is the human hair? Ooh, all in here. And then we're gonna have to check the brush roll and see where that longer hair went because I can already tell. That's unfortunate. Let's just get this out of here so it doesn't wreck this vacuum. It doesn't look like the beater bar comes out, but like for the first go, so it must not have anything to stop the tangles, which is insane. It's got dog hair stuck in there too, yeah, it's weird the dog hair is stuck because that's not long hair. Well, you get to see the good, the bad, and the ugly. So this is like, literally just did, I don't know, a 7 or 8 foot hunk of the carpet with a little bit of human long hair in it, and some pet hair. And lots of people wouldn't think to check their brush roll to see if it was all tangled, and eventually this would just like stop the vacuum from working. So this is definitely gonna be like something that I'm gonna ding the vacuum against in my ratings. I'm gonna test if this vacuum leaves carpet lines and see, okay? Because some of them do and some of them don't. This is a little bit of a lower pile carpet, but it should still show some. Okay, this actually threw pretty good carpet lines both ways. Sometimes like the carpet will just give better lines in different directions, so we wanted to test both, but it looked really nice actually, it worked good. We've planted some pet hair here and we're going to use the upholstery attachment on the vacuum and see how it does to suck it up. And it's really nice because it's dark, so we'll be able to see if it works right away. It's not a power upholstery attachment, it just has kind of like some Velcro-y material, kind of velvet to help lift it off. And then it's just using the wind power from the vacuum suction. But it's doing a pretty good job. So for not being a powered attachment, I think it did a really good job. So now I'm going to use the same upholstery attachment for the stairs here. This doesn't have a powered attachment for the stairs, so this is the best we're gonna get, but we're gonna test it out and see if it works. That's pretty good. It totally fluffed it right up too. Okay, so now I'm just gonna dump out all the dirt that we sucked up, and I just wanna show like ease of dumping and also how dirty the filters are. So this vacuum really did, even though the only thing I didn't really like about this vacuum was the tangling of the brush roller, but it had really good brush to dig up the carpet. But let's see how much dirt is in here. Easy dump canister, and you can rinse this out. It has like no, what's the word for it? Like mechanics in here, so you can rinse that out so it comes brand new and clean. And then this is interesting. This is the filter, not very dirty at all. And then here is the felt filter. But we can rinse these as well. You just like rinse them, you can even bleach them if you want to, and then just let them dry before you put them back. Don't put anything of your vacuum back when it's wet. So this vacuum is pretty good for a Shark. Like it's definitely a lower level of a Shark. So I have a pretty high standard of what I think a Shark should operate as, but it had really good suction. It got lots of the dirt up out of the carpet. It did good on the stairs. It has the lift off. It has lots of filters in it. The only thing that, yeah, I didn't like about it was the human hair got like tangled in the brush roll and we had to cut it out, but it did get a lot of the dirt out of the carpets. So my full review will be at the end of the video. I'll put up kind of a slide with like all of the attachments, the pros and cons, what I give it out of 10, and then we'll also link it in the caption if you guys want to get it. As always, thanks for watching.